But this is sort of where, like, especially on the community side, how do you get the grassroots community everyone's like, how do we make our chain cool like Solana? How do we make our NFT project cool like Apes? How do we do the next Doge? How do we make our community cool like Solana?
You know what? Somebody asked me the same thing. It was like, how did you guys build your community? And like, it's one of those questions that is hard to answer. I remember when I was at Google and YouTube had just kind of launched, advertisers would be like, how do I make my video viral? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, if we knew, then there's just something. There's an essence to it that it's hard to kind of pinpoint. And I think a lot of it started with laser focus on tech and performance, and it drew up a group of engineers. I think also just being a different programming model, right? So Solidity versus Rust. Mm-hmm. I think it drew some engineers that like to code more at the bare metal. And once we had a cluster of a unique set of kind of engineers, I think community started to build around that. And then I think like things like Super Team have been really, really smart to like have
Super Team has been awesome. Yeah. I try to identify. I think actually Solana Hacker Houses was probably like the big focal point because we're going to make fun of some people. Are you all right with that?
Yeah.
ETH Global. Their hackathons, it's like a library when you're at the hackathon. You're at a Solana Hacker House, you got a DJ, you got flashy lights, maybe a confetti cannon, it's right. Some good times, but real things get built.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I think Solana as an ecosystem has always put developers first, and I think there's an acknowledgement that that's where innovation comes from, right? It doesn't come from the top. It doesn't come from big existing enterprises. They will follow suit, but it comes from developers and global, right? This is borderless. So I think the focus on technology, just performance, and then building a community of developers and builders. I mean, it's easy to say. I mean, a lot of it just happened organically, and we're really lucky. I mean, everywhere I go, it's a community of people that just love Solana. So it's amazing.